Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this watch. To turn on this watch, simply press and hold the side button for a second or two. Basically until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. Once you see it on the screen, release the button and wait until the watch is done booting. And here we have it. That's how you turn on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.